Hey everyone, so you've got a 2022 Tesla Model Y, and you're probably feeling pretty familiar with it. But what if I told you there's a whole layer of features just waiting to be discovered? Seriously? Do you think you know everything your car is capable of? I'm willing to bet that even the most seasoned owners have missed some of the things we're about to talk about. A lot of these features are kind of hidden away, and they're not just fun little gimmicks. Some of them are super useful, and one is even a critical safety feature. So today, we're going to change that. Let's count down the top 8 hidden features every Model Y owner needs to know. All right, let's kick things off at number 8. This one is all about something we can all use more of, a secret hiding spot for your stuff. Okay, so you know about the main trunk, and you definitely know about the sub-trunk below that. But did you know there's a sub-trunk? Yeah. To find it, go to your trunk, lift up that main floor panel like you normally would. But don't stop there. Go to the section closest to the back seats and push that part up. You'll reveal this hidden, shallow compartment. It is the absolute perfect spot for flat things you want to keep out of sight, like a sunshade or maybe your charging adapters. Okay, coming in at number 7, we're going to switch from pure practicality to just pure fun. This is a little party trick you can totally show off to your friends. You want to add a little flair while your car is charging? Next time it's plugged in, take the handle of the charger and just click the button on it 10 times, really, really fast. The T logo on the charge port will suddenly start flashing in this awesome rainbow pattern. It's totally useless, but it's one of those little details that just shows you how playful the Tesla engineers can be. All right, number 6. Now this is a feature that's exclusive to the Model Y, and trust me, it's all about making your passengers a whole lot happier. That's right, the back seats in your Model Y can actually recline. Now, it's not a huge amount, just a few degrees, but believe me, on a long road trip, that little bit of extra tilt is an absolute game changer for comfort. All your passenger has to do is hold down the seat release button, the same one you use to fold the seats flat, and at the same time, give the seat back a good, firm push. It'll lock into a much more comfy, relaxed position. Okay, for number 5, we are diving into probably one of the most famous and, let's be honest, funniest Easter eggs Tesla has ever put in their cars. I'm just going to let the slide speak for itself on this one.
Yep, you read that correctly. And yes, it does exactly what you're secretly hoping it does.
This is just pure childish fun, and I love it. All you have to do is press the right scroll wheel on your steering wheel to bring up voice commands, and then you got to say it with confidence, open butthole. The car will, in fact, open the charge port door for you. Now, just a little word of warning from me to you. Maybe don't shout this at the top of your lungs in a crowded parking lot. Or, maybe do. Your call. Moving right along to number 4. If you thought that last one was fun, well, this next one adds a whole lot of color to your drive, literally. This is for all you Mario Kart fans out there. The next time you have autopilot engaged, just push the drive stalk down 4 times in a row real quick. Your screen's driving path will transform into the shimmering, psychedelic rainbow road. And what's more, you'll start hearing more cowbell in the music. It's such a fun little nod. All right, for our number 3 spot, we're getting super practical again. And this is a big one. This is a feature that could literally save you from a dent, a big repair bill, and a lot of frustration. If you park in a garage with a low ceiling, you know that heart-stopping moment when you hit the button to open the trunk? To avoid that horrible crunching sound, you can actually set a custom height limit. Just open the trunk and then physically stop it with your hand at the perfect safe height. Now, press and hold the close button on the trunk itself for about 3 seconds. You'll hear a little chime, and that's it. From now on, your trunk will never open higher than that position you just set. We're almost there. Coming in at number 2 is a serious power user tip, and this one is for the Tesla app, which, let's face it, is how most of us interact with our car on a daily basis. So you probably know that you can press and hold on the 4 main icons in the app to customize them, right? But did you know you can actually add a 5th one? It's a little tricky, but it's so worth it. Here's how you do it. Press and hold to get into that customization menu. Then take the icon you want to add and drag it all the way to the far right edge of the screen. I mean, you really have to push it right to the very edge. A little gray box will pop up. Just drop the icon into that box and boom, you now have 5 quick access buttons. You're welcome. And here we are, the number 1 spot. We've had fun Easter eggs, we've had super practical tips, but this one is different. This is the one hidden feature that isn't just a cool trick. It is a critical piece of safety equipment that every single Tesla owner absolutely positively needs to know about. Okay, listen up, because this is the most important thing you're going to learn today. If your car ever, for any reason, loses all of its electronic power, those little door open buttons are not going to work. So, you need a way to get out. Look down at your driver's side door right in front of the window switches. You'll see a little mechanical latch. You just pull that latch up and it will physically open the door. This is the manual door release, and you need to know where it is. Not only that, you need to show your passengers where it is. It's a feature you hope you never have to use, but knowing it's there could one day be incredibly important. And there you have it. From secret storage compartments to silly voice commands to critical safety releases, your Model Y is just packed with these thoughtful little details. Hopefully, you discovered at least a few new tricks today to make owning your car even better. You are now officially a power user. But now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite hidden feature? Did I miss a really good one that you use all the time? Drop it down in the comments below. Let's see what other secrets we can uncover together. And of course, if you had fun with this little breakdown, make sure you subscribe because we've got a lot more explainers coming your way to help you get the absolute most out of your car. Thanks so much for watching.